Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Gold remains under pressure as absence of fresh cues about Middle East tensions had also trimmed the appeal for bullion. Expectation remains of sharp volatility ahead of a data-packed week, and gold remains vulnerable to find support in the range of $2,000 to 1990 in spot market this week. Technically, gold intraday support is around 61,750 and 61,500, while resistance is seen around 62,100 and 62,600. Going ahead with energy updates, sentiments remain positive for crude oil given the near-term supply disruption, but tepid data and a cautious narrative from policymakers is keeping the oil market on a back foot. This week, EIA data remains crucial as we may see the impact of cold weather on the US oil output and inventory numbers that could drop substantially. However, later in the week, US fourth quarter GDP data is due, which is likely to show some cooling in growth, capping sharp upside in the prices. Technically, crude oil support is around 6,150 and 6,030, while resistance is seen around 6,380 and 6,520. Continue to trade under pressure as the US dollar index remains strong, compounded by the current lack of recovery in consumption and low market activity. It will be an important week in the US with investors closely monitoring the advanced estimate of quarter 4 GDP growth rate, PCE price indexes, and personal income and spending. Technically, copper intraday support is around 713 and 710, while resistance is seen around 717 and 720. On currency front, as for the rupee, no real trigger seems to be visible in the short term, which can decisively take INR out of the range. The month ends FOMC meeting is the next major event for rupee. Both JPY and Euro are in focus this week as market awaits the BOJ and ECB policies. Markets are particularly wary of possible hints of an end to negative interest rates in Japan, while policymakers in Europe are expected to push back hard against bets on rate cuts this year. For today, major economic releases are US Richmond Manufacturing Index, BOJ Monetary Policy Statement. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.